Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Monday, the 22nd of October. The euro is strengthening as the market opens following the conclusion of the EU summit last week, where no major decisions were taken. The Eurozone heads of state met on Thursday and Friday and for the time being agreed on a banking union and advanced integration. Thus, a supervisory authority for banks appears very likely to be implemented, but the timing is unknown. No discussion was made on the Spanish bailout plan. Apparently, there is conformity amongst the European leaders that Spain's domestic issues should take precedence for now. EU Economic and Monetary Affairs Commissioner Rehn said that his view that the Troika will give the green light for Greece's next tranche of financial aid. The Australian dollar appears soft after a two-week rally from 101.50 to 103.88 versus the US dollar. This advancement was evident against most of its major counterparts following the release of the minutes from the RBA latest meeting, pointing out to interest rate cuts. However, the Reserve Bank of Australia member Broadbent expressed her inclination towards a weaker Australian dollar. The US tech, which tracks the Nasdaq, plunged on Thursday and Friday after Google released their earnings report prematurely, missing analyst estimates. Microsoft and Apple are amongst the tech companies that are putting the index remains under heavy selling pressure. Let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 130.15 with a preference to enter into long positions at 130.15. The dollar-yen pivot points at 79.10 with a preference to enter into long positions at 79.10. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 103.50 with a preference to enter in short positions at 103.50. The sterling dollar pivot points at 160.40 with a preference to enter in short positions at 160.40. And the dollar CAD pivot points at 0.9875 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.9875. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 89.80 with a preference to enter into long positions at 89.80. The gold pivot points at 1713 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1713. The silver pivot points at 31.65 with a preference to enter into long positions at 31.65. The US 500 is at 1416 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1416. And the UK 100 is at 5905 with a preference to enter into short positions at 5905. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. There's nothing on our market moving calendar today as there were no major economic data releases. Our interesting pair of the day is the euro-dollar. We saw the euro rebounding against the US dollar, a retracement down to 130 lows. Market participants should be cautious as the strong markets opening this week following a non-event EU summit could reserve if any headlines come out hurting the market sentiment. It's been your daily outlook for the 22nd of October. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.